Ch.14 Early History of Deccan and South India. Something to know. Question A. Take the correct option. 1. What were the first indication of megalithic culture in South India? Option C. Stone circles. 2. What culture did the megalithic culture give rise to? Option A. Satvahana. 3. The Pandyas set up their capital at? Option D. Madurai. 4. The Satvahana dynasty came to an end in? Option A. 220 CE. 5. The Sangams during the Pandyas' rule were held at? Option B. Madurai. Question B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Deccan region is to the south of Vindhya mountain and Narmada river. 2. King Simukha was the founder of Satvahana Empire. 3. The megalithic people surrounded the graves with large pieces of stone called megaliths. 4. Canals for irrigation were built by kings. 5. Nithanjaral and Senguttavan were the rulers of Chera dynasty. Question C. Match the following. 1. Deccan. Option D. Dakshin Path. 2. God Murugan. Option E. Kartikeya. 3. Megalithic people. Option A. First iron user. 4. Chaitya. Option B. Temple. 5. Vihara. Option C. Monastery. Question D. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. Name the regions where megalithic culture was concentrated. Megalithic culture was concentrated in the Deccan, South India, the Northeast and Kashmir. 2. Who was the most important king of the Pandya dynasty? Nathanchalia was the most important king of the Pandya dynasty. 3. Who took over the Satvahana Empire in Maharashtra and Andhra region? The Rashtrakutas in Maharashtra and the Ikshvakus in Andhra region took over the Satvahana Empire. 4. The rock-cut Chaitya Hall at Kali is located at which present city of India? The rock-cut Chaitya Hall at Kali is located at Pune in Maharashtra. According to some archaeologists, what is the origin of the megalithic people? According to some archaeologists, the origin of the megalithic people is West Asia. Question E. Answer the following questions. 1. Describe the main features of the Satvahana Empire of Deccan. The main features of Satvahana Empire of Deccan were: the rulers believed in divine rights of the king. They followed Hinduism. They worshipped Lord Vishnu and Shiva. They divided the kingdom into provinces for efficient administration. Many chaityas, stupas and viharas were built during this period. They built roads and ships to encourage internal and external trade. 2. Name 3 great empires of South India. What are the main sources of information about them? The great empires of South India were the Cholas, the Pandyas and the Cheras. The main sources of information about them are Sangam literature, Ashoka's edicts, Mahabharata, Jatak stories and travel accounts. 3. Highlight the main features of the pottery of the megalith period. The main features of the pottery of megalith period are: the pots were well baked and well fired. They were made on the potter's wheel. The remains of pottery found are mainly in black and red colors. some pots still retain a shiny polish. The pottery pieces have fine inscriptions, which may be the trademarks of the potters. 4. What was the extent of the Chola Empire? How did they settle themselves? The Chola kingdom ruled over South India between Pennar and Velar rivers. The extent of their rule was always changing due to defeats or victories in wars with neighboring regions. The Cholas set up their capital at Kaveripattam, but later they shifted it to Tanjore and Gangaikonda Cholapuram. 5. List the 5 geographical zones of southern kingdoms. The 5 geographical zones of southern kingdoms were: 1. Hills and forests. 2. Pasture land. 3. Fertile land. 4. Coastal land. And 5. Arid land. Thank you.